Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol JNUG. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. Think does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Done this analysis several times in the past, but want to get things updated here. Pretty crazy price movement today. Price all over the place. With a nice gap up, and then price actually ran. Some poor souls bought right there. And then after there, things got pretty nasty and the price pulled back. So a lot of eyeballs on this one with the volatility. So let's map out some levels of support and resistance going forward. First level of support to keep an eye on going to be right down here around $9.10. You can see several times today, the price got right down around that area, and each time it did find some solid support right there. So that initial level where it seems to be people are willing to buy, whether or not that remains the case, that's not, that the charts aren't a crystal ball in that sense. But what it is telling us right now is that in the past, every time the price has gotten down to around 9.10, people are thinking, hey, you know what? That's a good enough price for me. I want to buy. Now, if $9.10 fails as support, next key overall level to keep an eye on at that point would be down there around $8.90. So support-wise, again, near-term 9.10. If 9.10 can hold, then keep an eye down there on $8.90. What about levels of resistance? As far as levels of where the sellers are hanging out at, first initial key level of resistance going to be right up there at $9.40. If you go back through the history of things, you can see that 940 directly knocked down the price, fast forward to today, directly knocked down the price. So point being, there's quite a bit of history and data right around 940. So that'll be public enemy number one in terms of levels of resistance. If the price can indeed push up through there, the next key level to keep an eye on from a resistance standpoint right up around 960. So 940 and 960, two of the key levels of resistance if this little miniature consolidation can, try to head back upwards towards the highs. But sure, 980 is also a level of resistance, but totally pointless to be talking about doing battle with 980 until the bulls can first prove themselves in the senses of getting up above 940 and 960. So volatile day today. We'll see how tomorrow plays out. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.